Good evening, fam. If you're looking to start a faceless cooking channel, then you need my free gestures packed down below, so let's get into it. Cooking isn't just about food, it's performance. Every stir, every flip, every taste becomes part of the story. Today, I'll show you how to cook with presence. Let's begin. Gesture 1 is the flip. Simple, but it speaks volumes. Notice the relaxed wrist. The pan does the work, not the shoulder. The flip should look smooth, almost effortless, like the food is dancing. Watch how the vegetables rise, catch the light, then fall back into place. That rhythm creates life on screen. Practice it slowly first with smaller motions, then let it build into something more confident. This is where you show control without ever saying a word. Gesture 2 is the reveal. You're not just lifting a lid, you're revealing drama. When that steam hits, lean back. Let your audience feel the heat through your body language. That tiny lean back tells the viewer this dish is alive, it's boiling, it's real. Hold the moment for a beat, let the steam wrap the scene in motion. Then carefully set the lid aside like it matters, because it does. Gesture 3 is about rhythm and expression. Stirring by itself can look flat, but pair it with a gesture, extend your free hand outward like you're explaining the recipe to a friend. It shifts the energy. Suddenly you're not just cooking, you're teaching, storytelling, sharing, and that's what makes avatars more human, combining action with expression. Stir, gesture, repeat. Simple but powerful. Gesture 4 is connection through memory. Take the spoon, lift it gently, and inhale. Close your eyes, let the viewer feel that aroma. Then smile, small and genuine. A smile without words communicates nostalgia, joy, or satisfaction. This is where food becomes emotion. When your avatar does this move, it tells the story of why the dish matters. Gesture 5 is ritual. Sliding a tray into the oven is more than mechanics. It's ceremony. Move slowly with intention. Keep your hands steady, place the tray, and close the oven softly. Why? Because the audience isn't just watching the action. They're watching how much you respect the process. Even silence feels rich when it's paired with careful movement. Gesture 6 is patience. Tap the timer, but don't rush away. Instead, fold your arms, lean back slightly, and own the pause. Confidence isn't frantic, it's calm. In content, stillness is just as powerful as movement. That folded arm posture tells the viewer, relax, I've got this under control. It's a gesture of authority wrapped in ease. So here's the truth. Cooking gestures aren't about food. They're about presence. Flipping, stirring, smelling, sliding, waiting. Each one is a performance that pulls people in. When your avatar can embody these movements, you're no longer just showing recipes, you're telling stories. And the audience, they'll stay, not for the dish, but for the experience. Practice these 6 gestures, mix them into your videos, and you'll turn a kitchen into a stage. That's how faceless becomes unforgettable. See you next time, loves. Remember, let's stay faceless but fearless, of course.